This is a small documentary on universe best person of our life.
तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू जीती हूँ मैं बस तुझे देख के इस टूटे दिल का सहारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू
Ma, Ai, Mummy, Amma. Different names with affection same. What is mother? Who is mother? God can't be present everywhere. So he created mother, a protector, a disciplinarian and friend, a selfless loving human who sacrificed many of her wants and needs for wants and needs of ours. Meaning of being a mother is virtually endless. Here, a small tribute to my ma, my first word, my first and best teacher, my first school is you, ma. My first breath, first friend, my first love is you. Thank you for carrying me for 9 months, bearing all my hard kicks. Thank you for bringing me to this world and I could see the sunshine. Thank you is a very tiny word. It is just like a drop of water in front of the ocean of love of yours. But I will never be able to do all those you did for me, ma.
Today, she may not understand these wordings, these lines, but the root of English A, B, C, D, she only taught me. You know, ma, I still remember the days when I used to cry for not going to school, but you used to make my hair and force me for eating pressure cooker में पका हुआ चावल. It is useless to ask you about how I look because no matter how bad it is, you will always say, my son is a hero. You are the genie of the kitchen and kept on fulfilling my wishes. You always kept on eating cold food and our unfinished. Astonishing stunts you saw at kitchen, but at various places your hands are burned. My mom is a superwoman. The entire world will be too less to describe about you. I bow down in front you first, then at temple. You carry the power of Goddess Durga and protect me always so well. When I used to do something mischievous, you used to save me from Baba and scold later. I saw tears on your eyes rolling down in your cheeks. When I used to cry, whenever I get hurt, you freak out and shed tears and run helter-skelter searching for medicine. Maybe this is Ma's affection, in front of whom world's darkness kneels.
This is obviously a relation of blood, but little bit thicker than that. Huge and huge fears fades in front of ma. Maybe this is the reason a mother of deer fights with the tiger for her child. You know, ma, the best feeling is when I get to hear from someone that তুই তো পুরো তোর মায়ের মতন দেখতে. I have never told you, ma, but I always fear darkness. I never say, but I always care for you. I am sorry, ma, that I forget ringing you back. I am sorry for being rude sometimes. I am sorry, ma, that I can't be present always when you need me the most. I am sorry, ma, sometimes my dreams and ambitions become more important than you. But I am always trying to be what you want and make you feel proud. I know sometimes your life has become way too difficult for me. I have not been able to become a perfect son of yours. But one thing I have always wanted to tell you, I love you, ma. You are the reason of my smile, my bravery, my power, and success. You are my backbone. I am simply nothing without you, just nothing. I love you a lot. You have always acted like a shield since birth. Thank you, Ma. Wish you a very happy Mother's Day.